Hi guys, hope you're having a great break over the holiday period. I know I am. Quick video just to let you know, I'm actually going to run live on Friday, tomorrow, the 27th. We have not only the Northern European markets open, but we have the North American markets open also. Traditionally, when these two markets open together, we do get quite a lot of participants and some good opportunities to trade. So I'm going to open up my live trading room and then we're going to stream that to YouTube. So if you ever want to watch a trading room, how it works, I'm going to be streaming from my normal Zoom room and we're going to be putting that onto YouTube live and it's going to be interactive. So if there are any burning questions you've got, anything you want to ask, any clarification on the strategies that you've already seen on YouTube, this is your opportunity to ask any questions, ask away, or just trade with me and my community. We'll be streaming from 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. UK, and then again from 2 p.m. until 4:30 UK time. If you've ever wondered what to do, but afraid to ask, ever wondered how you can actually sit in a room and just watch, here's your opportunity. This may well be something you might be interested in doing in 2025 or just to hone your skills. But you're all welcome. There's no sign up, no fees, nothing whatsoever. We're just going to have a chill session and we're going to trade, we're going to analyze, and we're going to ask and not ask. That's the wrong thing to say. We're going to answer any questions that people might have. And on block, about 4.5 hours of live streaming. So find the links below or go to my YouTube channel live and you'll see live streaming on the 27th. Just click notify and I'll hopefully maybe see you tomorrow. Cheers, guys. Bye-bye.